One of the places my sisters and I like to go to when I visit Portland is Stephen Smith's Tea Maker. Matcha? It's a green tea. Just doing a video.
That was all over the place.
Before I order, I generally like to look around a bit, and then I'll place my order. My favorite is the black lavender fog, which you see there in the forefront, with a little lavender thing on it. And obviously, it was really yummy. Sometimes we also get something to eat, and this time we decided to get the tea flight experience also.
May I put you in the picture?
Yeah.
And if you have
I got her taking her camera in the picture too.
any questions about anything, definitely let us know.
Seems to die more often than I thought.
So this is the British brunch. And we have a train in the background. Okay. Gotta have the cup closer.
Do you want more water, either one of you?
The tea flight experience is a great way to try new teas.
Whoops.
You need help?
A little bit spilled. I'm having a little problem with my shoulder, holding up my arm. Jenny didn't like the first one, so
On to the
we're
masala
on
chai.
masala chai.
Here, why don't you read that while I'm getting your tea?
Okay. In cities and towns across India, chai means sweetly spiced tea with foam milk served up in steaming earthen bowls by chai wallas eager to fuel the frenetic Indian economy. Ours combines second flush, awesome teas, not awesome, but Assam, I don't know, with pungent ginger root, cassia, black pepper, cloves, cardamom to create a rich and spicy brew worthy of any chai walla. Probably didn't pronounce that right.
I'm ready for my third one.
Okay.
The Shu Cha Puer.
Thank you.
Your glass is still warm. I'm getting clumsy.
Yes, you are.
There's a windowed area where you can watch the workers as they're packaging up the tea. It's pretty cool to watch them. And then, of course, in the front part, that's where they make the tea. And then here's a tea on tap area. And then behind this wall is where the tea makers work. You'll see it in a minute. There it is. Tea makers only. And so it's kind of fun to be able to look through the windows. After that, we decided to go up the Columbia River Gorge, which has always been a favorite area of ours. Tons of waterfalls are there, and we stopped at Horsetail Falls this time, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching.